暑かったら言ってくんな。別に抜きしやしねえけどよ。天才戦金。
Alright, what is going on, guys? SpitefulHopes back again, coming into this showcase on Tenjiro Kirinji. Now, this character is a beast, and honestly, he is the best Soul Reaper. Well, he's the best speed unit in the game right now. Everyone, I think, has their own little innate flaws. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. Shout out to Swig, because honestly I wouldn't have the 5 out of 5 Kirinji if it wasn't for him. For those that don't know, I've been saving my 3 special move sources for speed for quite some time, and I just really wanted to get the second Kirinji so we can get him 5 out of 5 and not have to worry about going for his individual. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Ginta for providing the sponsorship and the gift cards for the giveaway. So we gave out $100 worth in gift cards, and let's just get right into this character. Soul Reaper, Squad 0, Soul Reaper Killer, and then on top of that, I kind of butchered him, I'll be real with you. I wasn't paying attention to my Hogyoku, so I'm like, I have enough, and I level 10 the stamina, and I just don't have the large scrolls right now for these. I do have the for this, but I need to get some Squad 0 scrolls, but yeah, so yeah. I have just enough to 6-star my Senju Maru, and we got the level 2 SP. I would go for SP3 or Focus 3, but honestly I just don't feel like I have enough. Like, I think I want to say I've gone 500 to 800k without getting a level 3 SP or Focus, so I'd rather not push my luck any further. And Spiritual Pressure 30 30 30 across the board with Strong Attack Recharge links. We'll switch these out for full stamina damage boost and see what he can do. We are rocking like 3500 Spiritual Pressure, which is insane. And yeah, so yeah, 3500 Spiritual Pressure, and as you can see here, base Spiritual Pressure of 1373, 957 Focus, and 767 Attack. So we are at the very least rocking a 1500 Focus, 3500 Spiritual Pressure, and we're not even done with him yet. Like, this character is going to be insane. Okay, and let's go into the skills and the attacks. Sorry, I'm still very very excited about this character. He has some cons, so we will be going over the pros and cons of this character. And special move does have revival as the buff. Keep in mind that this does not revive dead allies. It adds the buff that allows your team to be revived, so if they die, then they revive. So if your friend dies, don't use this skill while thinking, oh, he'll just come back, because he won't unless he uses a revival candy. So he does have paralysis on all of his attacks, which makes him very, very special in this day and age. Not many characters that are coming out nowadays actually have status elements. I want to say that there's only like maybe a handful of characters from like Christmas Nell, Tokinata, Baragon, but Baragon didn't even get a full screen 3rd strong attack. So it's very, very rare for characters to get status elements. And it's actually really nice seeing that he got it on everything, including his normal attack damage strength. He has a Bruiser of 20%, Berserker of 20%, Devastation 40%, Strong Attack Recharge Link, Havoc 20%, Frenzy, Debilitator for 5 seconds along with the Paralysis, and then he also has a Sprinter +2. He also has a new skill called Team/Party, Increase Speed, Attribute Soul Reaper Strong Attack Damage by 20%. I'm not sure if this stacks on top of the strong attack damage or if it's like full stamina damage boost, in which case it multiplies. Keep in mind that if you have a full stamina damage boost link of 20% and strong attack damage link or boost of 20%, like a Berserker 20%, it doesn't necessarily stack on top of each other, it actually multiplies into each other. So say it's 20% each, you will multiply the 100 base damage by 20% and then another 20%, which will give you 144 damage instead of if it was just additive, which would be 140 damage. So 100 times 1.2 times 1.2 instead of 100 times 1.4 if it like stacked and it was additive. I don't know if I'm hoping that that'll make sense to some of you. If it doesn't, y'all need to pay more attention in math class. So let's just get right into it and let's go into speed. Now he should one-shot all the enemies here. Keep in mind he won't have killer. I was gonna use him in his own event, but honestly, like, he's just gonna one-shot everything there, and I want to make sure that you can see the cons as well as the pros. So first pro, lunge for a strong attack, very, very good. Second strong attack, the crazy range of that second strong attack is absolutely insane. Like, honestly, if I go over here, like, you see all the enemies all the way over there, right? If I go over here, boom, that actually hits them. The only issue with it though is that it's literally the same beam as some characters' first strong attack, and the problem with that is that it's very narrow, right? So if you don't position yourself properly, there's gonna be a high likelihood of missing unless you're in a narrow crawl space and like narrow, what is it called? Narrow hallway, excuse me. There we go. Yeah, you see that? Like, it doesn't really have like crazy amounts of spread on it. For like guild quest though, when it's like the narrow hallways and all that, this attack is gonna be absolutely insane. So when it comes to that, I think that he's gonna be probably one of the better characters for guild quest, especially considering that he has the sprinter +2. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. Ah, it's too good. First strong attack is the standard lunge. Like, honestly, I personally love the lunge. I love the beam. Like, this character is just this character is just hella fun to play. Third strong attack, almost able to kill the white Zangetsu. He does have killer on him, but we're just full strong attack recharge. I'm wondering if we're ever gonna get a strong attack recharge damage speed unit, because we've yet to get that as a link for a resurrected character. Right now we have resurrected Stark, and we have Frenzy, Yoruichi, and Byakuya. Alright, so let's switch that out for a full stamina damage boost. He's gonna be one-shotting for sure. Who do I want to take out? Yeah, the Rangaku is like the weakest one. Damage inflicted at full stamina would also deal more damage, but do I care about dealing damage right now? I mean, I guess I could if I go full stamina damage boost. Let's just check out how much damage he's able to deal here, and then we'll do like a raw straight up, seeing as high numbers as we possibly can. Damn, man. Huge shout out to Swig. I've asked him, like, I feel kind of bad because like part of me, I feel like I'm gonna annoy the hell out of him, because like I think I asked him if he wanted his money back like about I want to say I've asked him at least like 20 times, bro. Like I'm like, bro, are you sure this is okay? This is not okay. I'm like, are you sure this is okay? This is not okay. But he keeps assuring me, and I'm sure he's fine with it. It's just the amount he donated is literally like it's just so massive. It's like it's just a blessing that I don't feel like I deserve, if that makes sense, you know. I don't know, it makes me feel weird, to be honest, but I did pre-order the Ichigo bust. For those that don't know, that was a meme goal. Like that whole goal was like a kind of a joke, because like I was gonna buy it with the tax return money, or at least that's what I was planning to do. And yeah, so I had a donation goal. I'm like, yo, you think I should do that? That'd be funny. Ooh, there you go. So 82.7k. It's not too bad with the protection at the end of it. That hits what, 8 times? Wait, Alexa, 87 times 8.
87 times 8 is 696.
Yeah, so hits for like 696k. That's without attention tie, so just keep that in mind as well. Let's go full stamina damage boost on him and see exactly what we could pump out. Yeah, so it was like a meme goal, and I told him, I'm like, oh, that'd be funny. You think I should do that? And then they're like, go for it. And I'm like, okay, fine, I'll do this goal. And I set it to last a whole year because I didn't think we would actually hit it. So like the whole meme was, it's like it was just a joke goal, right? I mean, I do want the bus because I want that to be like the centerpiece to my house. I'm trying to think. That actually wouldn't be more damage. It'd be full stamina damage boost over here. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, let's get into that. So increased strong attack damage of 100% and full stamina damage boost of 60% with an extra team party plus 20%. Now the way that the team / party works is it does not stack. So if you have like 4 Kirinji, you're not getting plus 80% strong attack. You're just getting the plus 20. But what's cool is if you're running like, say, 1 Kirinji and then like 3 Ichibes, you'll actually give Ichibe extra strong attack damage too, just because he's a Soul Reaper. Same thing with Anniversary Ichigo, the one that's a hollow Soul Reaper, not the no affiliation one. Yeah, so the nat hits for about 1,000 higher, which is good. I feel like I'm the only person who gets stuck on those walls, bro. Like, my hands are freezing right now. I actually try, like, when I use my special there, I tried to use my special, I want to say like 3 times before it registered it. Just because my hands are cold. Pop. Alright, we're going to try the first strong attack and see how much damage that does. Lunge. Easily one-shots. Hey, my dude just giving that white Zangetsu the spanking of his life, bro. Oh, man. I think the thing that I love the most about Kirinji is the fact that he literally runs around with the paddle and thwacks people with it. It reminds me of my grandma. Yeah, I remember I was refusing to learn my Spanish because, like, they would actually have, like, a textbook to teach me Spanish. Like, no, not to teach me. Yeah, to, like, teach me proper grammar and everything. But, like, I wasn't having that. I'm in America. I live in America, bro. I was a millennial from the moment I was like born. And she would take like the comb, like one of the plastic brushes, and smash the back of my hand with it. Yo, that still hurt so much, dude. It was bad, but oh man, those are the days, right? All right, there's the Byakuya. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing epic raids. I appreciate y'all coming out. I hope y'all enjoyed this showcase. Just my Kirinji 5 of 5 with the SP level 2. And yeah, I guess I'll leave it at that. You know, this guy's grind. I'll catch up. Stay blessed. Huge shout out to Swig and Toe. Huge shout out to Ginta. I appreciate y'all. And yeah. Yo, grind on, catch up, pick me up, stay blessed. Wish y'all the best of luck in your summons. Stay blessed, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.